To add a daily agenda to Wix, you will need to create a scheduler or calendar application on your website. This can be achieved by using Wix built-in features or integrating a third-party app. First, log into your Wix account and go to the editor section of your website. From there, click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Wix App Market where you can search for scheduler or calendar apps. Choose an app that suits your needs and click on the Add to Site button to install it. Once installed, you can customize the app to fit your daily agenda requirements. You can add events, set reminders, and even share your schedule with others. If you prefer to use Wix built-in features, you can create a table or list to display your daily agenda. To do this, click on the Add button and select Table or List from the drop-down menu. You can then customize the table or list to include columns for date, time, event, and description. To make your daily agenda more interactive, you can add a booking or registration form to your website. This will allow visitors to book appointments or register for events directly from your website. To add a form, click on the Add button and select Contact and Forms from the drop-down menu. When creating your daily agenda, consider the following best practices. Keep your schedule organized and easy to read. Use clear and concise language. And make sure to include all relevant details such as date, time, and location. You should also make sure to update your schedule regularly to reflect any changes or cancellations. By following these steps and tips, you can create a daily agenda on your Wix website that is both functional and user-friendly. This will help you to stay organized and keep your visitors informed about upcoming events and appointments.